Good morning, welcome to JPFinity, Toy Collecting Customs and Photography. This morning we'll be doing a quick review of some of the new Injustice 2 figures from Hiya Toys. We'll probably do one or two today, but before we go on, please click the subscribe button up top and click on the notification bell so you know if I have new videos coming in. Alright, so the new figures are Green Lantern, Black Canary, the Reverse Flash, and Aquaman. I really want to start with Black Canary. There you go. So you have your usual neck articulation, shoulders. There's single jointed elbows, the usual double jointed knees, ankle rockers here, there, but not so much. What I've noticed though is that they've changed the joints there, hips. Let me get into that. See, the joints are of different plastic. They look sturdier. I've noticed that too as I was changing the hands. Let me pause that for a bit so I can pop it out for you. Alright, so I've popped out the hand for you. As you can see, they've changed the joints. The ball peg is inside, and then you can insert this here, tiny hole there. What's good about this is when you get the feel of that little piece of plastic, it looks sturdy, unlike the previous female figures like Harley Quinn. The joints sometimes, the ball joint sometimes comes off. This time the joint is much safer, it's less prone to stress. So the usual paint app for face for Hiya Toys, I mean, it's okay, but yeah, it's okay. Paint apps on the legs. It's got this soft jacket, which is pretty cool. Just got that. What else? She doesn't have a waist swivel, but you can pop this open. So there's the torso joint, and it's connected through here. There you go. No waist articulation, just upper torso. Ooh, the hair pops off. Look at that, the hair popped off. Probably stressed it out too much, or there's not enough glue. Yeah, that's okay. Looks funny though. Alright, check this out. Even the peg of the neck is of different material now. It's much sturdier. Kudos to Hiya Toys for continuously improving their figures. I really like this Black Canary figure. Tons of opportunity for customizing as well. And look at that. This one, I like how easy the hair comes off and how they've shaped the head. So if you are customizing, you don't have to like rip off the hair. It just comes off quite neatly. And if you want to reuse the hair, it's not so bad. See, it looks nice. doesn't get rips and all that stuff. But this is good for me. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll do another figure soon, later, maybe Green Lantern or Aquaman. So please click the subscribe button, leave a comment if you want, and please share this video. Thank you.